Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're finding this content helpful, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. Today, we're diving into Nest Egg, found at nestegg.com. This platform is designed to empower everyday individuals to take control of their financial future, offering an accessible and intuitive way to manage and grow wealth. Unlike traditional investment avenues that can feel complex and intimidating, Nest Egg simplifies the process, making investment strategies easier to understand and implement. Their website, located at www.nestegg.com, provides a comprehensive overview of their services, including detailed information about their investment philosophy, fee structures, and available account types. They emphasize the importance of long-term growth and offer a diverse portfolio of investment options to suit varying risk tolerances. For those new to investing, Nest Egg offers valuable educational resources and tools to help build a solid foundation of financial knowledge. This includes articles, tutorials, and even personalized guidance to help users create a tailored investment plan based on their individual financial goals and circumstances. This supportive approach can be especially beneficial for those who are just starting their investment journey. They seemingly strive to break down the barriers to entry that often prevent people from taking the first step towards securing their financial well-being. With a focus on user experience and clear explanations, Nest Egg aims to demystify the world of investing, making it more accessible and less daunting. From building a retirement nest egg to saving for a down payment on a house, Nest Egg aims to be a valuable partner in achieving your financial aspirations. Be sure to check out their website at nestegg.com for a deeper dive into their offerings. They also seem to provide various options for account management, allowing users to track their progress and make adjustments as needed, contributing to a more hands-on and engaging investment experience.